So when we take the sutures out, what we first want to do is we first want to remove the top knot. Okay, it's usually only going to be one stitch, so you can see where that little stitch is sticking out over here. So we're just going to cut that top little knot. Okay, so we just took the stitch out up top here. Okay, the eyelets above and below are not what the suture line is. The suture line runs in between those eyelets. So if you look up here, here's this previous suture line. So that would be this running in between, and you can already not even see that. So let's just follow it all the way around. That's it.